This is our present day Earth. And this is what they want us to see. This beautiful world, you don't want to lose it, right? If we don't do anything fast, the world will end up looking like this. Animals die, nature fades away, and it only gets worse. But we can change it. First, by eating less meat. And meat needs to get more expensive and served in smaller portions. Animals die for your daily meal. Try to eat better alternatives, like cultivated meat, or alternatives with soy, mushrooms, nuts, and chickpeas. Second, think about your environment. Don't just throw away plastic in nature or waste food. Shower colder and shorter. Go cycling instead of driving car, because we need you. Don't just care about yourself, care about nature. You need nature. Nature needs you.